Hello, I'd like to introduce you to our product, DCImanager, a physical infrastructure management platform. DCImanager allows you to manage geographically distributed infrastructures of server and near-server equipment from various vendors in a single interface. Also, it automates the server rental business and co-location service. The product solves a variety of problems. The first is equipment management, such as servers using BMC connections, switches, storage systems, power supply equipment, PDUs, and UPSs. The second problem is monitoring the health of equipment with the ability to configure flexible notifications about emerging incidents. The third is inventory and accounting of both tangible and intangible assets, tracking the entire lifecycle from purchase to disposal. In the previous video, we covered the locations dashboard, data center map, and rack visualization. Now, we will explore the unified system for remote server management in DCImanager. You can see the list of servers in operation. The list is displayed in a table format. It is possible to sort and filter data by columns and configure the display mode, normal or compact. A menu for performing available operations on a server is called by clicking the ellipsis at the end of a table row. When selecting a specific server, the table row expands with more detailed information about it. DCImanager allows you to perform group operations on a group of servers, such as rebooting, powering on/off, and installing operating systems from templates. Available operations are displayed at the top of the list. The platform includes a module for automatically searching and adding servers and component information. This module is configured through the Settings Modules menu. Two methods are available. The first is network booting using the diagnostic template included in the package. The second method is a direct connection to the BMC servers using Redfish protocols. Servers found using automatic search are placed in the corresponding subsection. A separate subsection displays the chassis list for Blade and MicroCloud server chassis information. When the Server Profile module is enabled, the Profiles and BMC Users tabs are added. Within a profile, you can edit basic BMC parameters and monitor their status for specified server groups, as well as lists of BMC users. It also allows you to configure reference BIOS settings for server groups and monitor the status of these settings. Consult with technical support for availability of this feature for your specific server. Profile functionality allows you to centrally manage BMC users for server groups to which profiles are applied. The last tab will redirect us to the built-in Grafana, which has the ability to display BMC logs for all servers. To access the server card, use the Server Settings menu item or just double-click for desired server string. The card displays more detailed information. All information is divided into tabs. The Settings tab displays the server name, platform, size, weight, rack location, owner, installed OS, option to manage it as a virtualization server, and Network Settings tab. BMC tab show us FRU information from BMC, tab with sensor status, their current value, and acceptable range specified by the hardware manufacturer. If it is necessary, you can't set another range limits here. Also, we have BMC Logs tab, BMC Logs Archive, and BMC Users Management tab. The Components tab provides information about devices installed in the server, including their status and accounting information. Component information can be obtained by polling the server's BMC via the Redfish protocol, or by performing a diagnostic operation by booting the server via PXE using the included diagnostic disk. You can also manually add components by marking parts in stock as server components. Devices section. You can find network connections to various devices. Connections to switches allow you to not only view the status of each port, but also manage them. In Power tab, you can see and manage PDU and UPS ports connected to the server. You can add network and power connections to the specified equipment. For the selected servers, a BIOS tab is also available, allowing you to change basic server settings via the web interface. The list of possible settings depends on the partner's hardware. The settings configured on this tab will be applied when the server is rebooted. The IP Addresses tab contains information about the IP addresses allocated to the server in the internal IPAM system. The built-in IP address space accounting module will be discussed in more detail below. If the server acts as a hypervisor, you can mark it in the server's settings, and then the Virtual Machines item appears. Here you can specify a list of virtual machines that run on this server. You can work with this list using the API, as well as with all the functionality of the DCImanager GUI. The Statistics tab displays information about traffic and power consumption. The NetFlow protocol can be used to collect network connection statistics. The Reports tab contains various servers' report templates. It contains such information as a serial number, BMC IP address, location, list of hardware components, and their firmware versions. You can download it in CSV format. The Monitoring tab enables the collection of server operating system metrics using the installed agent. For agents monitoring, you need to install Agent that you can download directly from Settings for Server Monitoring using OS Agent Module section. Then you add Server to Monitoring list, or just check Collect Metrics box in Server's Monitoring settings. These metrics will be available inside Servers cards and in the built-in Grafana service. The History tab displays all critical changes to server parameters. The Stock Accounting tab shows which warehouse a given server belongs to and its warranty period. It also provides the ability to link a server to a specific shipment and supplier. The Additional Parameters tab is used to manage parameters created by the administrator. To explore the platform and its features, you can request a trial version in your personal account on our website. Thank you for your attention.